Eat avocado but never make these 6 mistakes. They can be fatal. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're like most health-conscious people, you probably love avocados. They're creamy, versatile, packed with healthy fats, and let's be honest, who can resist a good avocado toast? But here's something many people don't realize. While avocados are considered a superfood, there are a few mistakes people make with them that can be dangerous, even fatal in some cases. Today, we're breaking down 6 common mistakes people make when eating avocados, and what you need to know to stay safe. Some of these might surprise you. Before getting into that, let's see what the holistic health expert Dr. Barbara O'Neill often highlights about eating avocados, based on her recent interviews and social media. Avocados provide heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium, lutein, and more, benefiting digestion, satiety, eye, and heart health. They're calorie-dense, so timing and portion size matter. Avoid late-night consumption to support digestion and sleep. Some individuals may experience food sensitivities or digestive issues, such as IBS, so personal experimentation and moderation are key. Now let's get right into the mistakes one shouldn't make while eating avocados. Mistake number 1. Eating the wrong parts of the avocado. We all know the creamy green flesh is what we're after, but did you know some parts of the avocado can actually be toxic? The skin and pit of the avocado contain persin, a fungicidal toxin. While small amounts aren't usually dangerous to humans, consuming large quantities can cause nausea, vomiting, and even cardiac issues in sensitive individuals. According to a report published in the Journal of Clinical Toxicology, persin has been shown to cause serious adverse effects in animals like birds and dogs. And while humans are less sensitive, it's still not something you want in your diet. Rule of thumb: stick to the flesh, avoid the pit and peel. Mistake number 2. Improper storage leading to food poisoning. Most people don't think of avocados as a food safety risk, but they can be. The problem lies in how they're stored once cut. Avocado flesh is highly perishable. If you leave it out at room temperature for too long, or store it improperly in the fridge, bacteria like Listeria monocytogenes and Salmonella can thrive on its surface. A 2018 report by the FDA found that about 17% of tested avocados carried Listeria on their skin, which can easily transfer to the flesh when cutting. To stay safe, always wash the skin thoroughly before cutting. Store cut avocado in an airtight container in the fridge, and consume within 24 hours. If it looks grayish-brown, smells sour, or feels slimy, toss it. Mistake number 3. Avocado hand injuries. Yes, it sounds a bit ridiculous, but avocado-related injuries are so common that doctors have a name for it: avocado hand. It happens when people attempt to remove the pit by stabbing it with a knife, and end up stabbing themselves instead. A study published in the American Journal of Emergency Medicine reported a sharp increase in these types of hand injuries over the past decade, coinciding with the avocado's rise in popularity. The consequences can be serious: severed tendons, nerve damage, and permanent loss of hand function. Safer way to do it: cut the avocado in half, gently tap the pit with a knife, twist, and remove, or better yet, use a spoon. Mistake number 4. Assuming avocados are always healthy. Yes, avocados are nutrient-dense, loaded with monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. But like anything else, moderation matters. A medium avocado contains about 250 to 300 calories and 23 grams of fat. While it's mostly heart-healthy fat, overeating avocados can still lead to excess calorie intake and weight gain if not balanced within your overall diet. A study in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that replacing certain saturated fats with avocado can improve cholesterol levels, but it didn't recommend unlimited intake. For most people, half an avocado a day is plenty. More than that, and you might be sabotaging your calorie balance without realizing it. Mistake number 5. Feeding avocado to pets. This one's critical, especially if you're a pet owner. While avocados are healthy for humans, they're toxic to many animals. As mentioned earlier, persin is harmless in small amounts for people but can be deadly for pets like birds, rabbits, horses, and dogs. The American Veterinary Medical Association warns that avocado ingestion in pets can cause vomiting, diarrhea, myocardial damage, heart issues, difficulty breathing, and in some cases, death. Even the flesh can be harmful to certain animals. So if you have pets, keep avocados well out of reach. Mistake number 6. Falling for avocado oil scams. Avocado oil has exploded in popularity thanks to its high smoke point and heart-healthy profile. But here's the catch: not all avocado oil is what it claims to be. A 2020 study by the University of California, Davis found that 82% of commercial avocado oils tested were either rancid or mixed with other, cheaper oils. Some products labeled as pure avocado oil contained almost no avocado oil at all. The problem isn't just nutritional. Rancid oils can produce harmful free radicals, which have been linked to cell damage and chronic disease. If you use avocado oil, choose reputable brands, look for bottles labeled cold-pressed and extra virgin, and store them away from heat and light to prevent oxidation. How to get maximum benefits from avocado. Pick a ripe avocado. It should yield slightly to pressure and be green under the stem. Eat it fresh. Minimize air exposure to preserve nutrients. Use lemon, lime juice if storing. Pair it with other plant foods. Avocado's healthy fats boost absorption of vitamins like A, D, E, and K, and carotenoids. Use as a healthy fat swap. Replace butter, mayo, or cream for better heart health and added fiber. Scrape the dark green flesh near the skin. It's the most nutrient-rich part. Practice portion control. Half an avocado a day is ideal for most. Choose cold-pressed avocado oil. It retains more antioxidants and healthy fats. Final thoughts: avocados are a fantastic, nutrient-rich food, but like anything else, they come with some caveats. To recap: avoid eating the skin and pit. Store cut avocado safely and eat it quickly. Be careful when removing the pit. No avocado hand injuries. Remember that too much of a good thing can backfire. Keep avocados away from your pets. And be mindful about the quality of your avocado oil. By steering clear of these mistakes, you can enjoy all the benefits of avocados without the hidden risks. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button for more science-backed nutrition advice. Drop it in the comments, we'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.